What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over Shiba Inu today. So let's go over what we are doing here with our charts in Shiba Inu. So my earlier video, I actually went over Dogecoin, and I actually did something way similar to this, really similar, and they're both so similar that it's scary. Like, just looking at how similar Dogecoin is to Shiba Inu, like you see these trend lines that we just now set, right? Let's go over here to Dogecoin. The exact same trend line is forming right here. Literally the exact same trend line is forming with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. That's why I say Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, they're one and the same. Dogecoin moves up, Shiba Inu goes up. Elon Musk talks about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu goes up in result. You know, this is what we're doing here with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. It's crazy that they're really following the same path here. So this is also good to know that it's following the same path, because that means that we could also follow that path. We could just follow one of them, and then both of them are gonna, continue rise. That's why I have money in both Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, because we know if something happens in Dogecoin, Shiba Inu goes crazy, vice versa. And that's also, when you think about it, anything Elon Musk says will send Shiba to the moon, like, because we know it's gonna send Dogecoin straight to the moon. And obviously Shiba follows Dogecoin, as we just now seen. And look, Elon Musk is predicting right here a $1 Dogecoin. This is a $1 right here. This is $1 Dogecoin right here. If I open this image in a new tab and I actually zoom in here, that's a $1 Doge right there. Look at that, one full dollar Doge. So that is crazy right there. That Doge is that he's actually saying Dogecoin's a $1. Like, that's crazy right there. So honestly, this is crazy right now. Like, Dogecoin is definitely gonna reach $1, and in result, Shiba Inu is gonna go up. And remember what I said in my other video about the price. I said that Shiba Inu will get to 0.00025 if Dogecoin gets to $1. Now, let's go back here and look at where we are right now with Shiba Inu. As we can see, we are far behind with Shiba Inu. We're not, as high as we want with growth. But before we dipped, this was actually the prediction that I made, because at this amount right here, Shiba Inu would be around, I want to say it would be a $98 billion market cap, around there, something around that. Honestly, so many Shiba has been burned out of the Shiba ecosystem, so it's actually different now. So since so much has been burned, there's actually a different number of the Shiba Inu out there. So I can't really do the math 100% unless I know, exactly where, it is. But yeah, at 0.00025, what I predicted it'll be at when we're at $1 in Dogecoin, that'd be $98 billion in market cap. So Dogecoin will be at $129 billion in market cap, 129 billion in market cap when it hits $1. And then Shiba Inu, when Shiba Inu hits this 0.00025 point, it will be all the way up there at 98 billion in market cap. So that's just some perspective there to know, what Shiba Inu is doing, like how it follows Dogecoin. Because the way I actually found this out is I looked at the ratio between Shiba Inu's market cap and Dogecoin, and the way they grow congruent to each other. So honestly, even if it doesn't go all the way up to 0.00025, you still got to think about it. Even if we went up to, let's say we went up to the 5 area. Let's do that. 0.00, the 4 zeros, and then the 5, because we already got to the 3.5. So even if we just got to 5, that would be at 19 billion market cap, which is pretty good, honestly. And with the kind of community Shiba Inu has, give it time and Shiba Inu will grow huge. Like the way Dogecoin grew, Shiba Inu is doing the exact same thing, and that's why I like Shiba Inu. And that's why I'm not hating on Shiba Inu, even though I was first with Dogecoin. I seen Shiba Inu, and then I seen another gem. Like, just the way the community, kind of forms around the coin. That's what I really like to see inside of a crypto. The community being so, so heavy with, the coin, and that's how Dogecoin is. So when you look over here at Shiba Inu is the exact same thing. And looking at the Shiba creators here, they always talk about Shiba Inu here. So as you can see, look at this: Sheep to the moon, Shibarmy, bone tokens. So they already announced how you get bone tokens. So let's read this. They say bone tokens. All right, when Shiba swap starts, the total supply of bone will be 0. So there's going to be 0 bone when Shiba swap starts. All right, the only way you can get bone is if you farm, which is digging. They're saying digging, farming it, or bury it, stake it to earn them. You're staking your sheep to earn. You'll use your sheep or your leash to stake and then earn bone. So that is actually pretty big. So you're gonna mine it, dig it, farm it, whatever you want to call it, or you're going to have to stake your sheep or your leash on Shiba Swap. So when Shiba Swap actually comes out, I'm gonna do the staking. I'm gonna stake sheep and I'm gonna stake leash for bone, because the more bone you get at such an early time, the higher the prices are gonna go. And we know bone is gonna be released when Shiba Swap comes out. So when bone actually comes out, this is gonna be so huge. Look, bone is our next token coming soon. Shiba Inu Bone takes the power of DeFi to the next level. Details on how to acquire the token, they just now released that. So yeah, they said the details will be announced with the reveal of Shiba Swap. They already revealed Shiba Swap. They haven't released it yet, so they revealed it already. That's why the bone information came out, which actually puts the notion that Shiba Swap is 100% going to come out, because they're already rolling all this stuff out. Like, everything's already rolling out. They already released leash. They already have leash on different platforms. So this is huge right now. Like, this is huge. A lot of big things are going on with Sheep right now. So yeah, this is really huge. Bone token is going to be really huge for Sheep. I'm going to be all in on it once it comes out. I'm going to be getting a bunch of it. And also, we have more news with Sheep. Sheep does not stop with the news. It does not stop here. The Sato exchange. I haven't heard of the Sato exchange, but I guess, yeah, they are an exchange now listed on Sato exchange. Sheep is now on there. Look at this. Earn Sheep rewards now listed on Sato exchange. So that's more money flowing through Sheep from different exchanges. More market cap going in on Sheep. So yeah, market to open on the 23rd of May, 12 p.m. Shiba deposits and withdrawals are open. Deposit and be prepared to earn the first traders rewards on Shiba market trading. So yeah, this is crazy that that's gonna happen. Sato exchange, I haven't really heard of them, but I guess it's crazy since anything going on with Sheep is going crazy right now. So yeah, we have so much going on in here. And as we see, Dogecoin is always going to be trending on Twitter. And as we know, Shiba follows Dogecoin. So as Dogecoin trends on Twitter, Shiba trends as well. So 1 Doge equals $1. This is really big news, really good right now. So the buy and hold strategy is always the strategy that will make you win the most money. This is like so important. Like, I could have got back into Doge way back in 5 cents and I just could have went all in and held, but I didn't hold for long term, and because of that, I lost out on a lot of gains. And I know so many people out there are the same way, feeling like they lost out on a lot of gains with Doge. And that's why Shiba Inu is the exact answer to that, because we can come back and we can make those big gains again. Like, Doge already went up by so much. We know Doge is going to continue to go up, but only by so much. We know we're going to hit $1, but then, we kind of got to retrace after that $1, rebound, and then, continue to raise up. And that's what's happening here. Like, we see even with Dogecoin, we go all the way back here. Yeah, we were all the way up at 73 cents, 74 cents, but we have to rebound, we have to retrace and come back. And then once we come back, we're going to come back even stronger and get up to $1. But then once we get back to $1, we're going to have to rebound and retrace back to 70 cents. So when you kind of tie this into Shiba, when you look at Shiba, you kind of know it's going to be the same thing. Like, we already got to 0.000035. So all we have to do is get up to 0.00005, because we already got up to 3.5. So now our next run up will be up to 5. So this is just what I'm seeing. What's gonna happen inside the future for Sheep. I definitely believe that Shiba Inu is gonna go up like over time, but 0.00005 will be the target price right now. Like, we know we're gonna get back to 3.5, but after we get back to 3.5 and then do our little consolidation, 5 is the exact number I want to reach here with Shiba Inu. But we are starting to rebound here. We are starting to retrace here. But remember, anything can happen. Like, cryptos are really volatile, very, very volatile. So anything can happen at any time. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Invest at your own will, and invest with caution, because anything could go on with this. As we can see, the technicals do not lie. The technicals never lie. We can tell that we're consolidating. and we're gonna get to a point here where we're either gonna break out for the better or for the worse. And typically when we see stuff like this, when we see that we're getting higher lows every single time, there's a higher low, that's a higher low, higher low, higher low, and then another higher low up there, typically we break out and go up for the positives. So we could actually break out and be positive here, but remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I'm just saying we could actually possibly break out, because we see here that we are continuing to test higher lows every single time and not going below those lows. So this is what we're seeing, and it was what we're hoping for. We're hoping we do not break out of these trend lines, but we could only hope at this point, because we lost so much. We're hoping that this is the bottom, because we lost so much market cap all over the market, and it honestly could be the bottom. Like, look at this. Bitcoin is up 10% in the last 24 hours. Like, that's crazy. Bitcoin up 10% in the last 24 hours. That means that we are coming back from this crash. And as you can see, Shiba is still down 43% last 7 days, 9% in the last 24 hours. But Shiba is starting to come back. Shiba is starting to come back, and we have Dogecoin coming back as well. So as we know, Shiba follows Dogecoin. So inevitably, we're going to continue to rise here with Shiba Inu. And also with Dogecoin, like, both of them are gonna rise simultaneously. They're both gonna rise, and we already know we got the Shiba swap unlocked. Everything is about to go crazy with Shiba Inu. Once Dogecoin gets put on Coinbase, another light will be shined on Shiba Inu. So this is really cool that we're tied to Dogecoin here, because we know Dogecoin will always succeed because of Elon Musk. So we know Shiba Inu in result will also always succeed, because it's Dogecoin's successor. So this is what we are seeing here with the markets. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.